Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and I share art and illustration videos here. So I opened an Etsy shop 1 month ago, and as many of you are interested in Etsy and selling your digital products online, I thought I would make a realistic video talking about what I achieved in this month and about my stats. I'm gonna show you everything. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let me start with a short backstory, how I created my shop, what I sell there. For now, I deleted my link from my social profiles, the link of my Etsy shop, because if I post this video and if it goes viral, who knows, a lot of people are gonna go to my shop but don't buy anything, so I decided to hide it for now. But to tell you a little bit more about my shop, I sell digital products. I created a set of icons, covers and wallpapers, and my products include Notion covers, Notion icons, desktop organizers, wallpaper, icons for your folders, little things like that, just to spice up your desktop, your Notion, because I actually use that and I love it. So I'm obsessed with the stuff. Plus I created the same with the same products. I also created digital stickers, but that's a competitive niche, so I kind of combined the less competitive niche. So I wanted to say that before opening my shop, I did a lot of research. I watched a Skillshare class about opening an Etsy shop, like launching an Etsy shop, not just opening it, not just uploading your stuff there and waiting to see what happens, but actually launching your Etsy shop. So creating the listings, like highly optimized listings, researching the keywords. It took me a little bit over a month to prepare my shop for launching. I created all the illustrations, all the assets in advance, but also to optimize everything, it took me at least 2 more weeks. So I would say that it took 1 month to launch my Etsy shop, to create all the listings, the design of the banner of my shop, the logo. I thought about everything. I didn't just wanna put my products up there and wait what happens, so I decided to do my best. I didn't become a millionaire and I didn't have any expectations. My thought was I would be happy if 1 person buys something from my shop in the first month, and it happened. So actually, spoiler alert, I got 8 orders in total. I got 9 orders in total, including 2 first orders were from my partner and my friend, so that doesn't really count, but so I got 7 orders from random people that I didn't know, and I was super excited. I still am. Every time I see this kaching from Etsy, it makes me really happy, because those are the people who just found my product and decided to buy it, and it makes me really grateful. Let's go over to the statistics and see how my month has been. So I opened my Etsy shop on the 20th of July, and today is the 17th of July, the day I'm recording this video, so it's a bit less than a month, but doesn't really matter. So here are my stats. I had 349 visits, 9 orders, 2.6% conversion rate, which I googled is quite good, and my revenue is 29 euros and 8 cents. So let's look over the statistics in a bit more details. Here it shows that Etsy brought 62% of visits and I brought 38%. And other things, social media, Instagram and Pinterest. I think Pinterest is when I clicked on my listing just to test it, but yeah, and Instagram just won. So I created an Instagram account for my Etsy shop. Now I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I'm already overwhelmed with my own account, my own art account, so I don't know, I will see how it goes. But yeah, so I guess that most of my traffic comes from Etsy and Etsy search. I will talk about Etsy ads a little bit later. I also had experience with them. And my orders, so I had 9 orders. In the beginning, like the first few days, I got like an order from my partner and an order from my friend, just to help my shop kind of take off and leave a review. And then I had like 7 other orders. So I think it's a pretty good start. I'm excited. As for the conversion rate, so some days I had 7.7%, some days 0, 6.7, 10, 12.5. Yeah, so the average conversion rate is 2.6%. And my revenue, 29 euros. My cheapest small offer items cost around 2.5 euros, and I also run 30% off for the whole August. But many people didn't even use the coupon. Maybe they didn't see it, I don't know. But anyway, so the orders that I got were like 2.5, almost 5 euros. Yeah, so mostly my cheapest items. I think once I sold the items that is a bit more expensive, which is 5.4 and 3.5. Yeah, so those are my sales for this month. And let's go over to the ads. And here I was a bit disappointed, to be honest. I canceled my campaign, as they're saying I'm missing out, but actually I spent a lot of money on it. I mean, a lot of money that didn't bring me anything, like 1 order only. So as you can see, I made $2.9 from Etsy ads campaign, and I spent $21.77 on ads. You can see that it's not really cool. I actually decided to stick with it for the whole month, just to see, like, maybe it needs a little bit more time to take off. So I didn't cancel my campaign, even though it brought me just 1 order. I think yesterday I just decided to cancel it completely, because you can see that something isn't working. Yeah, maybe it's because my shop is new. I don't know, I heard a lot of different controversial opinions about it. Some people say that you should run ads from the first day you open your Etsy shop. Some people say like you shouldn't, you should like have a lot of orders before starting the ads. So I don't know. I just decided to give it a try, and I saw that my listing was really high up. I just went to incognito mode and tried to search for like my keywords, relevant keywords, and I saw that my item was like among the first ones. So I guess it was good, but it brought me a lot of views, clicks, but just 1 order. So I don't know, maybe there is something wrong with my listings, or it's just the normal situation, I don't know. But for now I'm not planning to keep on going with these ads. So that was my month, my first month on Etsy. I'm really excited to see what comes next, what next month will bring. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. It was useful for you to see my results on Etsy, and a couple of tips for you guys. I think the most important part is to do your research, and I will link the class that really helped me with that in the description. It's a Skillshare class. And try to launch your shop. Follow the advice of this class, optimize your listings, and I think like the overnight success is not really likely. I don't know. I just don't trust this kind of promises that you can make thousands of euros, of dollars in your first month. I don't think it's likely to happen. And I don't have any expectations, and I advise you to do the same. Like, just try to do your best, but don't hope for an overnight success. Like, keep working, keep creating your listings, optimizing them. So I heard a lot of advice that you have to post a lot of listings, like almost every day or something like that, but it's not possible for me. For example, I just created those, let's say around 6 or 8 listings, my initial product that I created. I uploaded them and then I didn't upload any new listings. So just to give you some context, because it takes me a lot of time to create my artworks and they're all hand-drawn, there's no templates or anything that I use, so it's kind of like from scratch. And for example, now I'm creating another collection that will consist also of 5, 6, 7 products, and I expect to finish it only by September, maybe even the middle of September. So I started it last week, and you can see it will take me around 1 month to complete it. So yeah, I'm not a person who's gonna post every day, so I don't know how it works for the other creators. But anyway, I would recommend you just to keep your expectations low and just do your best to create your cool listings, and it is an investment in your future, you know. So hopefully it will generate some income for you in the future, but you can't like really hope that right now you're gonna get rich. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say to you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested, you can leave me a comment or ask some questions. I will be happy to answer them. And I will make more videos as the time passes, maybe not every month, but every couple of months, to see how it progresses. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos about art and illustration. I hope you find them useful and enjoyable. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!